Okay, friends, let us talk about the evaluation of hemoptysis. So, first of all, whenever you evaluate for hemoptysis, before that, you will ask yourself whether the blood is coming really from the lungs or not. Okay, so you have to rule out other causes of hemoptysis, for example, other source of bleeding, for example, oropharynx or gastrointestinal tract. After you rule out these, depending on physical and history, then you will ask yourself whether the bleeding is massive or mild to moderate. In case of mild to moderate, you will proceed towards the investigation and cause of the bleeding, while in the massive bleeding your main goal is to secure airway, breathing and circulation. Okay, now after doing that, if you finally achieve stopping the bleeding, then you can do investigation for exactly like you did for the mild to moderate. But if the bleeding is continuing, then you have to do bronchoscopic intervention or embolization or resection, depending on the severity of the bleeding. Okay, now, let us say the bleeding was mild to moderate in the first place, or after securing airway and breathing and circulation for the massive bleeding, you stopped the bleeding. You can do investigation now. Now, what are the investigation that you will send? Yes, very good. Chest X-ray, CBC, and coagulation studies, and after that, renal function test, urinalysis, rheumatologic workup if suspected. Okay. Now, now after that you will do CT scan with or without bronchoscopy, depending on the imaging result and if intervention is needed. And after that you will treat the cause if there is persistent bleeding, treated with the bronchoscopic intervention, embolization or resection. Okay.